Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make this famous Thai dessert called red rubies, or you might know it as Tim Grob. This refreshing dessert consists of jackfruit, coconut cream, sugar syrup, ice, and red rubies, which are crunchy in texture. We call them red rubies because that's what they resemble. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share, and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have tapioca starch, ice and cold water, Jicama, this also go by the name of Yam Bean or sweet turnip, coconut cream, ripe jackfruit, sugar, plain water, salt, and red food coloring. First and foremost, we're gonna peel the skin of the yam bean and dicing it into small cubes. Traditionally, the sizes of the red rubies are about this size, and this is the perfect bite size. Once again, you can either use this or water chestnuts, which are more commonly used in Thai restaurants. When this step is done, we are then going to dye them using red food coloring, and with a plastic glove, mix them well and try it to get as evenly as possible. When this is done, we are then going to transfer these into our tapioca starch. Combine well to get an even coat. Sieve out the extra starch. Bring your water to a boil and boil these. We are actually cooking the tapioca starch. To know if they are done is that they will float, and the white spots you see on them, which is the starch, will be minimum to none. So take them out when they float and immediately submerge them in cold water. The reason that we soak them in cold water is to stop the cooking process. This will also make them glossy and toughen them up. We are now going to make our coconut cream topping by combining coconut cream, water, and salt together. Stir this well. On low heat, put in your coconut cream, followed by some water and salt. Give this a stir. All combined, then you can take it out of the heat. Stir until the sugar has fully dissolved, and this will be our sugar syrup. And now for the assembly. We put our sugar syrup in first, followed by coconut cream. And this is the final product of our Tim Grob. So let's give this a try. I'm so excited. You have got the crunchy red rubies and the sweet jackfruit. So let's try this. That's so crunchy. Wow. And the coconut cream. This is so good. Like I said, crunchy, sweet, and the coconut cream. This is perfection in a bowl. So if you're craving for Tim Grob, try out this recipe. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.